Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the October unboxing for the Boxycharm. Here's this month's box. I already opened it. Again, this subscription is $21 a month and you get 5 full-size items. So let's open up this month and see what we got. So it comes with your normal card that tells you how much is the retail price for each item. So let's start pulling things out. And the first thing is a face mask by Dermovia. It looks like it's a charcoal mask. So you get this. And this retails for $30. This mask. Wow. It says Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. It says you have 2 lace masks. So I'm excited to try these. So you get a pack of this. The next item we got is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I've heard really good things about this mascara, so I'm excited to try it. This one retails for $24. So with this mascara only, you already paid off what the box was worth. So, and it is a full size. I am super excited to try this one out. So again, this is a It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And the next item we have here is the Kat Von D. I am so excited for this liquid lipstick. I've been wanting to try her liquid lipsticks for a while now, and I just haven't had a chance or bought any. So the one that I got is in the color Bow and Arrow, like a nude color. Let's open it up. Looks like this. I am so excited for this one. There's the color. Very nice. So there it is. Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. And this retails for $20 for this liquid lipstick. They have good items this month. The next thing I have here is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. I'm excited to try this one. It smells good. So this looks like that. I don't know if this is a full size or a travel size, but I'll still get a couple uses out of it. There. And this retails for $16. The last item we got this month is by Pure, the Complexion Authority palette. So it looks like this. That is really pretty. Here's the back. You get blushes and eyeshadows. And this palette is called the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. That's the outside. Very pretty. And the inside. Let's see. The blushes look really pigmented. This swatch. These two. They are very pigmented. It looks like this one's a highlight. Right here. So that's how they look. And the eyeshadows. It looks like you only get one matte color. This brown. And then you have this blue shimmer color. Let me swatch them. The blue, the silver, the green. These are the colors. So you get the purple. This green is really pretty. The silver, the blue, and this one's just like a dark brown, not like a brown with black. So they're very pretty. So that is the colors. I'm excited to try this palette. So far, all the Pure Cosmetic palettes that they've given us have been really good. I really enjoy them. Really good quality for the eyeshadows. So let's see how this one comes out. This one retails for $38. This month was a really, really good box. You really got your money's worth. So there's the palette from the inside. So I will be doing a tutorial using some of the items that came in this month's box. So keep an eye out for that. I will be uploading this look that I created. So keep an eye out for that one. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.